Jay De La Cruz in Dubai. Good afternoon. And for today's video, magawa po tayo ng salad. That is for our lunch for today. And this is our main ingredients. With this flakes and tuna, cheese and lemon. Hiwa-hiwa lang po ng ating mga main ingredients. The cucumber, the tomato, and lettuce. This is our lunch for today. Kasi mukha na akong I'm super majaba na. I gained 5 kg. So, 4 kg pala. So, I need to reduce my weight. So, this is our lettuce. Ganyan lang natin yan. Like that. Pilas-pilasin lang. Pilas-pilasin lang natin ang ating kita ba? Kita nyo ba ako? O kita nyo ba ako? Kita nyo ba ang aking salad for today? For today, this is my lunch, and in the morning my breakfast is paratha, 2 paratha and 1 egg. That is my breakfast for today, and my lunch is this one. Enough na yan. And then we will add this Eden cheese. Busin ko na itong Eden cheese. Eden cheese. Parang pag nilagyan ko siya ng tuna, mas lalo siyang aalat. Parang pag nilagyan ko ng tuna, mas lalo siyang aalat, right? Kita ba ako sa camera? My God! Hindi ko dala ang aking tripod, kaya hindi ko kasi naalala mag-video for today. Okay, so ganyan na lang. Mag-kneel down na lang ako para makita nyo ang aking puro pimples na mukha. Nasobrahan sa kakakain ng maraming. And then we will squeeze some lemon. Ganyan lang ang style ko sa pag slice ng lemon para yung iba matatabi pa natin. Then squeeze it. Squeeze the lemon. Okay. At lagyan natin ng konting pepper. Pepper peg. Parang ayoko na siyang lagyan talaga. Muna nga, para lagyan natin itong tuna flakes. So, bubusan natin ngayon ng parang ang yummy niya. That's it. Hello. Wait a minute. I'm doing my vlog. While I'm doing my vlog while I'm doing my tuna and cucumber and tomato and pepper and other words, it's my salad for today.
Are you using the microwave?
No, you can use it. You can use. Yummy, yummy salad. Yummy, yummy salad. You bring? Yeah. Thank you. And my office mate is so generous. He gave me this juice. Thank you so much.